So her piece is a representation of Jamaica's rich culture and heritage. My guest now is Rochelle Kinney. She's the designer responsible for the Actuash, is that right?
Yes.
Fashion label, and she's here this morning with some of her pieces to showcase. Good morning.
Good morning.
Thanks for being here with us this morning, Rochelle.
Thanks for having me.
What does Actuash mean?
Actuash is breaking down my kids' first name, Akeem, Dushan, and Ashley.
Aww.
I put them together, Actuash.
Oh, okay. Seamstress, how did you get into the industry, into the business?
I was kind of born into it. My mom is a seamstress, my grandmother is a seamstress, and I used to be in her shop, you know, pinning, sewing, making clothes for my dolls. I moved from my dolls to myself. I got my first sewing machine when I was 8.
No.
Yes.
So this is in your blood.
Yes.
So there's nothing you can't do. This is legacy.
Yes, it is.
Oh my goodness. And so at 8, you started making for yourself?
No, I made a skirt for my cousin. I made a gatherway skirt for my cousin.
At
my
8?
aunt, yes, and my aunt gave me $5.
Oh,
I
wow,
never forgot that
$5.
$5.
What did you buy with it?
I don't remember, maybe candy.
Okay. Wow. So tell me about your aesthetic. Actuash speaks to which woman and what is the style?
Well, Actuash, it speaks to almost every woman who wants to feel comfortable in their clothes.
Me that.
Yes. And now I'm more focusing on natural fibers, natural fabric, because it's so hot in Jamaica. You want to be cool in the linen, in your cottons, and yes, that's what I'm focusing on.
And so are you making stuff that, or is this largely what we're seeing, what you did for this season, because festival and thing?
Yes, this is actually my Fiwi collection. Yes. Okay. For us.
Yes, well, of course. Who else would it be for? It's very nice, by the way.
Thank you so much.
And I saw this green lady walking, I was like, this is a dress I would wear, for sure. And we have our 2 models here as well. So let's see what the models are wearing, and then you can talk us through what we have on the rack. Okay. Ari, make your way center, please. Talk us through this one, Miss Rush.
It's cotton, full cotton with a little raffia at the top, natural raffia. Ruffled hemline. Very cool. It has pockets. Yes, every woman is excited about pockets.
You have to have a pockets in a frock like this, or else what's the point?
Yeah, perfect for your brunch. You're going out in the evening. Yes, there's summer parties.
When I'm laugh after Arena because when you take with team member them, and anyway, you do it very well, my Ari Barry. So is that burlap at the top that you've infused?
No, it's actually raffia.
Okay.
Yes.
And what is raffia made of?
Raffia is from natural plants. Yes.
All right, Aves, come in. Yes, you were saying.
Yeah, you remember in the market they used to have this that they used to plait and make baskets.
Yes.
That's it.
Now ask me if me remember it wasn't there.
Okay.
Talk to me about this piece now.
So
Everybody's feeling herself. Yes.
It's a flowing skirt and a little bit of raffia in the middle. It's made from 100% linen.
It's so cute.
Thank you.
2 pieces are so cute. And then, all right, miss, go on, hello. Hello. Go on over there so I stop to go people them show. And then beside them now is the one who cannot walk. Talk about the one that's on the mannequin.
Okay, that's also infused with some raffia. It's 100% linen also. Raffia and the bralette and the little flowers are made from raffia. Yes. And
these.
Yeah, and
so where do you work from now? Like, are you online? How do folks?
Yes, I have an online shop, actuashattire.com. Yeah, and you can also reach me through Instagram, Actuash Fashion.
So that's where people order from you now?
Yes.
How is business, Rush?
Business was slow last season. Very, very slow last season. Yeah.
It's a shame because your pieces are lovely. I love this army green piece you have here.
Yeah, thank you.
And then there we see the pieces. Come, let's walk over to the rack and you can tell us what you have. You stay on this side. I'm going to go on the other side. No, you stay here. Rush.
Okay.
All right. Take them off and show us. All right, I'll do them. And you can talk us through. So is this a swimsuit?
Yes, but it's a shorts.
Ew, this is so cutesy.
And a cover-up. And in the theme.
So this is for the woman who wants to be sexy but not show too much. So this is the top.
a little.
And this is the bottom. This is very cute.
Thank you.
And then the cover up is fantastic.
Yes.
And here's the beauty of a cover up like this now. If you want to put it on with a tank top and some jeans, style it differently.
Yeah, or a black.
Or a black dress,
Yes.
and you're good to go. All right, hold on there, Miss Rush. Let's see what is back of that.
So this is our 3-piece set. It comes with a shorts. And
This is a cape?
no, it's actually a skirt.
Oh.
Yeah, you can either put the slit on the side.
Hey,
Yeah, the
hey.
shorts is right here.
Yes, very involved.
Yes,
and
and
your
100%
seamstress,
cotton.
ship is very impressive. Then we have this red guy here.
Yes, this is 100% linen. It comes with pockets, a little bit of the raffia at the top. You know, highlighting the red, green, and gold.
All right, what's behind that?
Behind this is this maxi dress.
Oh, why is that so cute?
Yeah, this is actually a rasta belt. One of the belts.
Oh my
Yeah, and I made it with
gosh.
that. Yeah.
Today I would wear this, my
Yes,
lovely.
cotton.
This is beautiful.
Thank you.
My style dress to me, you know. Anybody know me? No, if it's loose and flowy,
Yes.
skirt is beautiful. Oh, look at this top.
Yes.
So it's raffia and fringe.
Yes.
Oh, adorable.
Thank
So where you get your inspo for your designs from?
From nature, and I pull some from the Rastafarian community. That's my inspiration.
Gotcha.
With the
I won't be
colors. Okay.
I'm so sorry.
Yeah.
What is this?
This is a top.
Wow. That's so intricate.
Thank you.
Beautiful. Oh, I see how you wear that now. Okay. All right. So we kind of have a feel for your aesthetic. Is there anything on here that you want us to look at in particular before we?
No, everything. Oh,
Right.
maybe this one.
Okay.
This is another intricate one. At the top. Yes.
Hold this for
Under
me.
the pants.
Oh, this is the top.
Yes. And if you notice, they can interchange. You can wear this skirt with that top, wear it with the pants, wear the pants with the top.
And let me see the pants. Open out the pants, let me see.
All the pieces are interchangeable.
These pants are so cute.
Thank you.
Tapered at the foot. Look, oh, big
it's
foot
actually
pants.
big foot pants, yes.
man. I think this. You make the calabash back suit?
No, my friend
Oh,
Tanya did.
just checking.
Yeah, Tina
Okay.
did.
Fantastic. All right, so tell us again where we find you.
Akduashataya.com and Akduash Fashion on Instagram.
Okay, folks, if you want to get your you have custom pieces too?
Yes, I do make custom pieces.
Okay, and then we can get stuff off the rack
Yes.
as well. Appreciate it very much. Thank you very
Thank
much,
you.
Rochelle, for
Thank you
stopping
for
by.
having me.
Akduash is the name of the label. Run down the prompter for me, guys. Rochelle Kinney is her name, and she is a fashion designer behind the label. Ladies, come and walk again. Him. Where's our main model to walk you down? Come and escort them, Mr. Main Model. Quick time. Come, Miss Rush. Thank you very much, Rochelle. Watch out the model them gone left you. You're supposed to walk with him. Do you think you're left for real? The other two ladies are fired. We'll be right back. Soon come.